Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the YouCut video editor. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export your videos in 4K using the YouCut app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the YouCut application on your device, and then from the homepage, you can press the plus button to either work on your new project or your existing ones. After you have launched your project and added your clips, you can work on your edits right away. There are various different features that you can try, such as generating auto captions, enhancing your footage, and much more. Once you are done editing your video, you will need to go into the Save button to proceed with exporting this. When you tap on it, you can find various different options. At the very top, you have the resolution. Move this all the way to the end to choose 2K/4K. Then for the frame rate, also choose 60 FPS to make it the most smooth, and make sure that the quality is set to high. Once all of these are set to the highest value available, you can click on the Save button. After you press the Save button, this will begin converting your video and save it onto your device. Just wait until the process is completed, and now your 4K video should be exported onto your gallery. Sometimes your video may not be 4K by itself. During these cases, a resolution will be recommended to you. However, you can still override these settings and export in 4K by choosing the maximum resolution. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to export your videos in 4K on the YouCut application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.